Hey, Justin here from KneeRover.com, and today we're going to assemble your new KneeRover Economy. All right, so before we get started, we're going to go through your assembly pack and what you'll need to assemble the scooter. You'll have your knee pad locking pin, your knee pad bolts, and 4 knee pad washers, front axle bolts and washers, your smaller Allen wrench, larger Allen wrench, and your height adjustment knob. All right, so the first step is to assemble the front axle. You're going to make sure that these welded on nuts are pointed towards the ground. Then you're going to lift the scooter up, line it up with the holes on the front axle. And you're going to take a bolt and a washer, put them in the hole, get one started, stick the other one in, get it started. And you're going to take your long Allen wrench and you're going to tighten them up. So the next step is you're going to take the steering column, you're going to fold it up, pull this quick release lever over, drop it into position, and then rotate this quick release lever up into the groove and then clamp it down. This one's a little shaky, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up. So you're just going to take that lever, open it back up, twist it about a whole turn to the right, and then take it back up into the groove and then clamp it down. So now we're going to take the handlebars and drop them into the lower column. Then we're going to take your height adjustment knob after you find your desired height, and we're going to put it in the hole here. And then you're going to line it up with the welded on nut on this opposite side right here. And then we're going to screw it in. Now we're going to put the scooter to the side, and we're going to work on the knee pad assembly. So to assemble the knee pad, we're going to take the knee pad frame, we're going to line it up with the holes on the knee pad. Then we're going to take the knee pad hardware. You should have 4 bolts, 4 washers. We're going to take the bolt, we're going to put it through the washer, then we're going to line it up and get it started there. I've already went ahead and put the other washers on these bolts. Then we're going to take your small Allen wrench and we're just going to tighten them up. All right, so finally we're going to take the knee pad that you just assembled and we're going to go ahead and stick it into the hole here. So once you get your desired height, you're just going to drop the pin into this hole here, and you're going to rotate this clamp around and clamp it around the pin. Then you're going to take the quick release lever here and clamp it around the post. And that concludes the assembly of your new KneeRover Economy scooter. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at 877-737-9877, or you can email us at help@kneerover.com. Thanks for choosing KneeRover.